Hello, my name is Jay Abrell. I am in GLG 110, and I'm doing Crater Lake, and my professor is Professor Michelle. Location of Crater Lake is in the south central region of Oregon in the western United States, and the type of volcano Crater Lake is known as a caldera, which collapses over 12,000 feet underwater, and that also is known as Mount Mazama. Here are some images of Crater Lake. It is surrounded by water and also other mountains. And yeah. Is my volcano explosive? The answer is quite simple, and that is yes. Even though my volcano erupted over 7,700 years ago, it is considered explosive. I don't have any pictures, and I know pictures from other volcanoes would have been alright, but I don't think it would have really done it justice, as Crater Lake was several eruptions and explosions, not just one. And that's what really made it different from other volcanoes. Here is a graphic of Crater Lake. That little piece of land that was sticking up in the other pictures is known as the Wizard Island. Here's the water and everything else that's surrounded by it. Here are directions of landslide flows, and I guess that is the one thing that goes against human life in a sense, and what really is bad about the volcano, but that's all really bad. The last known activity of Crater Lake was over 7,700 years ago. It is considered active today, even though it was such a long time, but we can't really ever not say it's not active because we never know what will happen. Impacts on human life are actually really good, and other than those landslides, the volcano is not doing any harm to human life. Human life is actually doing more harm to itself and the volcano. We're actually putting pollutants in the lake and injuring wildlife and even ourselves. And here am I, we're excited. Thank you.